In the criminal justice system, the people are represented by two separate yet equally important groups: the police who investigate crime and the district attorneys who prosecute the offenders. These are their stories.
So that was a nice evening.
Yeah, it was really fun.
It's beautiful out.
Very nice out. Yeah. What's that? Oh my God.
So what do we have here?
Vic looks about 20. Preliminary report shows signs of strangulation, probably from some kind of wire.
Time of death?
Between 2:30 and 4:30 last night.
Any ID?
None yet.
Yeah, alright, I'm gonna need tickets over to the station.
Yes, sir. Are there any clubs around here?
I think so, why?
Well, look at her outfit. She's in full makeup, a dress, and boots. She was definitely out partying last night.
Yeah, it's a pretty probably one down the street.
All right, I guess that's where we'll start.
Oh, hey, honey. Let me fix you a drink.
We're good, thanks.
Mind if we ask you a couple questions?
Nah, bro, shoot.
Was this girl here last night?
Aubrey? Yeah. What do you want to know?
You know this girl?
Yeah, that's Josh Logan's ex. She dumped his sorry ass last night.
Why?
I don't know, man, but they got into a huge fight at the bar. When things started to get ugly, I kicked them the hell out. Look, I gotta get back to work now.
Yeah, you're free to go.
Hey, lady, sure you don't want a drink?
We got a name from the bartender, Aubrey something.
Yeah, we ran the Vic's fingerprints and dental records. Name's Aubrey Cooper, 21. Checks out with what your bartender said. She was clean up until about 4 months ago, and then some strange misdemeanors started showing up.
All right, let's check out her boyfriend. Bartender said something about a Josh Logan.
Are you Josh Logan?
Yeah, who wants to know?
Police, can I ask you a few questions?
No.
It's about Aubrey. Can you step outside?
Aubrey, what about her? We broke up last night.
Aubrey's dead. We'd like to ask you a few questions.
Oh my gosh. Really? How?
She was murdered. Can we come in?
I guess, yeah.
Why'd you guys break up?
I don't know, man. She was getting into some weird stuff.
What kind of stuff?
She's been hanging out with this group of people. They call themselves the Order of Sisterly Love. Even tried to recruit me a few times.
Wait, she was involved with a cult?
I guess. I just thought it was creepy.
Who's the leader of this sister order or whatever?
I have no idea. We don't talk about it much. I A few months ago, she started going to these meetings. And then after, she started going to these retreats.
So what happened last night?
Last night was the first time I'd seen her in a couple weeks.
She dumped me to go to the compound. After 3 fucking years, she dumped me for that bullshit.
Did you guys fight afterwards?
No, not at all.
All right. Thanks for your time.
All right, we'll get arrest for his warrant for his arrest back at the station. Wait, what's that?
That's our probable cause. Come on. Josh Logan, you're under arrest for the murder of Aubrey Cooper. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to...
Bartender said you and Aubrey had a huge fight. Why would you lie about that?
My personal life isn't any of your business. I don't know you nothing.
Do you know where you are right now? You're in my house. Do you know what to do to guys like you in prison? People who murder women, huh?
Shut up, you fucking Pollock.
I would personally see you rot in hell. I want myself the bane of your existence.
You're out of here, Officer Poniatowski.
Why'd you stop me? I almost had a confession.
We sent the wire to forensics. It doesn't match what we found on the body. You have to let him go.
Well, in that case, I think it'd be worth it to pay a visit to the cults. I looked it up. The leader's name is legally Flower Rainbow.
Oh, hello, friends. Have you tasted the fruit of life today?
No, I already had breakfast today.
Can we talk to Flower Rainbow?
Why, of course, sisters. I'll fetch her right away.
Are you here to join our beautiful, happy sun meditation?
Do you know Aubrey Cooper?
Her name is not to be mentioned among us.
Wasn't she a part of your cults?
She was, but she was a she-demon that has forsaken us. I'm glad she met such an end.
Wait, we never told you she was killed?
I saw it in my dreams.
Yeah, I'm not buying it. We're taking you in for questioning.
Oh, excellent. I can answer all of your questions. She lawyered up immediately. It's Artie Goldstein of Goldstein, Meyer & Cohen.
God damn it, he's the best lawyer in town.
So tell me, Flower, where were you the night of April 15th?
As your attorney, I advise you not to answer that question.
No, it's okay. I don't mind. I was taking a stroll, doing some purging.
Wait, what the hell?
You know, purging. Taking out the dirty laundry.
Stop! I can't defend you if you keep answering the question.
What exactly do you mean by purging?
You know, I had to get rid of the demons to maintain order in our society. That's enough for a warrant.
Alright guys, we've got a warrant to search the house. Do not extend the warrant. We want to get all the evidence to be clean. Alright guys?
Yes.
Alright! Yeah! Go! We have a warrant! Clear!
Down on the ground. Hands behind your backs.
Clear!
You guys go check that out.
Okay, boss.
What's that over there? Hey, hold my gun for a second. Never quit. Quitters never win. Ugh.
There's a door up here. It's locked. Come in. I think I found something.
What is it?
I think it might be the murder weapon.
The evidence obtained in this search cannot be admissible in court. It is an illegal search under the Fourth Amendment and clear precedent set in Mappy, Ohio. The search was illegal and the evidence obtained cannot be used.
The cops had a legal warrant to search the house, and the search of the shed was merely a legal extension of the warrant. There is no reason that such incriminating evidence should be excluded from the trial.
The type of evidence has nothing to do with the search itself. The search was clearly illegal.
This is an extension of the open fields doctrine. As established in Hester v. United States, the protection for persons, houses, papers, and effects does not apply to this open fields doctrine. The defendant's Fourth Amendment rights are not protected.
The open fields doctrine has nothing to do with this case, Judge. The shed was locked, the cops busted through the shed, the search was illegal, and the evidence
shed was
cannot be
on his
admissible.
property. There's no reason that the cops should not be able to legally search it if they had a warrant to the house.
The open fields doctrine clearly does not apply here. The shed was closed. I cannot allow any evidence obtained from the shed in court, no matter how incriminating it might be.
Well, we can't keep her any longer. I have to let her go.
Dude, these fucking judges want to let murderers go to protect the technicality? Civil liberty's my ass. Where's the justice for the victim?
You guys should have been more careful when you were obtaining evidence. The cops knew this was an illegal search. I should have you fired. Help me. We want to help you. Why did you come in? I had to leave. The sisterhood was destroying my life. It started with them preventing me from talking to my family, and then Flower Rainbow was dictating every aspect of my life.
Do you know anything about the murder of Aubrey Cooper?
If I tell you, you have to promise me you'll keep me safe from Flower Rainbow.
We can protect you.
If you testify. I can do even better. We took pictures of the purging ceremony.
Now calling to order docket number 11-37, Commonwealth of Massachusetts v. Rainbow. You may now begin.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the facts in this case are quite clear. Flower Rainbow is the murderer. She murdered Aubrey Cooper on the night of April 15th.
And that is why, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, Flower Rainbow could never have been the killer of Aubrey Cooper.
Prosecution, you may call your first witness.
I call Sunshine Mittens to the stand.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, or so help you God?
I do.
Be seated.
What were you doing the night of April 15th? That was the night Flower picked to murder Aubrey Cooper. Flower said we needed to rid her of all the demons inside. Aubrey had joined our cult a few months ago, but then she started interacting with others and doing forbidden things like clubbing.
How did she perform this purging?
Flower strangled her with a wire. She said this was the only way to truly rid her of the demons inside.
And could you tell me what is happening in this particular photo?
This was after Flower strangled her and performed the ritual.
What did she make you do?
We had to participate in the exorcism. She threatened to kill us if we didn't.
Is the person who murdered Aubrey Cooper on the night of April 15th in this room?
Yes.
Can you please point out the murderer? Let the record show that Sunshine Mittens has identified Flower Rainbow as the murderer. No further questions.
So, Sunshine Mittens, how long have you been a part of this cult?
Objection, Your Honor. That question is not relevant to the facts.
Laying a foundation, Your Honor.
Overruled, but watch yourself, Artie.
I ask the question again. How long have you been a member of this cult?
I've been a part of the cult for 3 years.
So in those 3 years, would you say that you have developed an emotional attachment to said cult?
I guess.
So one could say that you were influenced by the other members?
Well, yes, in the beginning, but I can't stand to be a part of this injustice any longer.
So if you have this emotional attachment, how can you be expected to have a clear and truthful recollection? Defense rests.
Jury, have you reached a verdict?
Yes, Your Honor. On the count of murder in the first degree, we find Flower Rainbow guilty.